premium Ravine lot. Fabulous brand new tribute home, award-winning builder. Great layout with 4-bedroom plus study room on the second floor. Grand double door entrance. 9 feet ceilings. 8 doors, hardwood floors throughout main. Oak staircase, family room with gas fireplace. Modern kitchen plus upgraded cabinets plus quart countertop plus stainless steel appliances. Breakfast bar, walk out to deck on Ravine. Walking distance to Durham College and U.O.I.T. Extra stainless steel fridges, stainless steel stoves, stainless steel ranged hood, stainless steel dishwasher, washer dryer, all electrical light fixtures, all window coverings, air condition, furnace, hot water tank rental garage door opener with remotes.